smart investors, this is an update on Lekki Pride 1. When we started the whole thing, this is where we started last year. And for everything to be at this stage, it means that we've done well. So the last time I was here, this wasn't there. So you can see that the road now is taking shape, and less than 1 minute, that is Lekki Expressway I am looking now. So if you are the kind of investors that you want your estate not far to the express, but you still want it in a serene environment, no noise, close-knit, Lekki Pride Phase 1 is your best bet in the axis of Ajah, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Lekki Pride Phase 1 is sharing boundary with Royal Garden Estate. If you know Royal Garden Estate, you know Lekki Pride 1. Because if you know Royal Garden Estate, immediately after Royal Garden Estate is Lekki Pride 1. From the express to here is less than 1 minute. So if you are the kind of the smart investors, this is your best bet in the axis of Ajah, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. I am so excited, so happy, because our open house is in less than 2 weeks. That is our open house for some of our clients that they've paid up to 80%. This is your time for open house to see what we have in stock for you. We have our sample units there that will show you if you want your interior to be like that, because we are such a company that when you complain, we listen to you and we are ready to give you the best so that you can get value for your money. So I'm so excited. Look at the road. So from here now, you will just navigate your way to Abraham Adesoya traffic light, and you can turn and you can start going to the Lekki Phase 1, or if it's Victoria Island or the mainland, wheresoever you're going to. So this is very good, and I know that you know about the regional road, how regional road has really boosted the market of real estate. So this is your time to buy, this is your time to invest, and this is Lekki Pride 1. Here all the duplexes are sold out, our 3-bedroom apartment too sold out, and also our 1-bedroom maisonette too sold out. So what we have here is 1-bedroom apartment and 2-bedroom apartments. And you know, this time around, if you want to do investment, those are the building types that really move the market very well when you are looking for something to invest in. For 1-bedroom apartment, you know that single people can rent that one. For 2-bedroom, the people that just started the marriage, they've not had children, or they have 1 or 2 children, they can rent that one. So if you are looking for rental income that can give you annual income, then this is the best estate in Ajah that you can really invest in. So this is Lekki Pride 1, and this is an update on it. So 1-bedroom apartment now is selling for 36 million naira, and 2-bedroom apartment is selling for 40 million naira. With initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can be a resident of Lekki Pride 1. And also, it is not even good not to have anything in this axis. This is Ajah axis. Immediately after VGC, Ajah Jubilee Bridge, then is this place. So it is not wise not to have anything, something that can generate rental income for you. So this is the perfect taste that you can, and it's a perfect gift that you can give to yourself. Imagine you work hard, you do this, and this is even the perfect retirement plan you can give to yourself. So I want you to come in with me now, just to show you where our apartment will be and show you everything, our recreational facility. We can't just build estate without giving you the features gym, recreational facility, good road network in the estate, even outside the estate, good road network, portable water supply, 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply, mall, gym, where you can put your baby, the crèche. We have everything here for you, just to make sure that our clients we satisfy them well, and we you can get value for your money. With initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can be a resident of Lekki Pride one. I am very excited because seeing this improvement, seeing everything around here, it makes me very happy, because we are not just selling real estate. We are not just selling buildings. We are selling a peace of mind. We are selling that one, a peace of mind. And that is what we stand for. And the title on this is Governor's Consent. We've perfected our documents to Governor's Consent. So I want you to follow me in now to see everything. You can spread your payment till 12 months. Yes, we have that plan till 12 months. This place is siren, and we have two exits and entrances. Is either you use this place leads you to the Lekki Expressway, and the other one leads you to Lekki Scheme 2. Any other way you want to use, you are cool with it. So I will take you in now to see what we have for you inside, and to show you what we've done. So let's go in now. Is the security house, and this is where we have our gym too. And look at the camera, CCTV camera here for you. So we have all these things in place for you because of the security reason in this place. So apart from our people man the gate and the rest to check what's going out and coming in, we still have the CCTV surveillance camera for you. Here is the management building, and this is where the super mall, the mall will be too, and even the crèche too. This is where it will be. So we have a lot of things in this place for you. We have everything put together to make it very conducive and a secured and siren environment in this place. You can see this is a close knit community. So the apartments, like I said, is towards that side. We're going to show you where apartment is. All these duplexes are sold out, and like I said before, the open house and the allocation is less than 2 weeks. You can see what we put together so that people can see. For the clients that they've paid up to 80%, they'll be available to see all these things, so that we can show them what will be the internal and the external, what the external interior will look like, and what the internal the interior to internally will look like. So enjoy the view. Let's go to where the apartment will be, and I don't want you to miss out of this apartment, 1 and 2 bedroom apartment. So let's go so that you can see what I'm saying. So you can see what this place looks like. These are all our duplexes sold out, and this is where apartments will be. So see what I am saying. We've passed the soil test. Yes, we've done the soil test. We've passed it. We've done our piling. You can see. So it's for the building to go up. And if you're wondering, oh, what are the building there? I told you sharing boundary with Royal Garden Estate. So that is Royal Garden Estate. So this is Lekki Pride 1. So this is where we are going to have our 1 and 2 bedroom, and the delivery time is next year for us to deliver this. We are going on 3 floors for this. So we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartment is sold out, and 1 bedroom maisonette too is sold out. So 1 bedroom apartment here is going for 36 million naira, and 2 bedroom apartment here is going for 40 million naira with initial deposit of 5 million naira. You can key into this. If you don't want to live here, you can use this for an investment, and this is the best time to buy. Now is the thing. Look at how the migration is moving. You can see you can start with rental now for 2 million naira. Before, in the next 2 years, you can rent as high as 4 million naira in this place. So everything is moving very fast, rapidly. So, and that is why you need to key in now. I remember the time we launched this, that there were nothing on the floor to even show you. I know how much we sold it. Now this is the time we are selling 36 million naira for 1 bedroom apartment, 40 million naira for 2 bedroom apartment with initial deposit of 5 million naira. You can key in and you can spread for 1 year. That is 12 months. This is it. When we tell you that we will deliver, we will deliver. So you can see people that are bought into our duplexes. See, we'll do allocation, we'll do everything for them, and we are the company that delivers. When we said that, when we tell you this is what we are doing part time, this is it. So I want you to pick my number showing on your screen right away. Subscribe. If you bought 1 house, buy another one. If you I have 2 houses, buy the 3rd one. I have 3 houses, buy the 4th one. You will So this is the road from Lekki Pride 1. I just drive out from Lekki Pride 1 going to Lekki Expressway. I told you there is less than 1 minute drive. This is actually less than 1 minute drive, and that is why I need to show you so that you can see what I am saying. So let's go. This is the road. Everything is, you can see a lot of buildings coming up. This will be attached to the express. Fear not. It was so bad when we moved in then last year. You can see now it is motorable, but it's going to be tarred. When I mean tarred, it's going to be tarred to Lekki Expressway. See Lekki Expressway. The next time I'm going to do an update for you, I will come in from Lekki Expressway. So this is the time to buy. Like I said, this is the time to invest in real estate, in this property, Lekki Pride 1, the apartment that I just showed you now. This is the time to buy. You can see everything is open. and you can drive out from this place. Are you going to Lekki phase 1? Less than 1 minute you will drive out from this place. So you see what I am saying, what I told you, you see. So anytime we are buying properties, we have a good eyes for prime location to invest in. You see Lekki Expressway. All right, so let's move on to the Lekki Expressway. Everything will be tagged, so you don't need to think otherwise. You see, this place is even tagged. It's just remaining the small parts of the road to be tagged. You see, this is good. This is good. This is Lekki Expressway, and see what is we have a good entrance now. See, this is a very good entrance. You see, so this is facing Budo Specialist, because opposite is Budo Specialist. You can see this is Lekki Expressway. So the next time I'm doing an update for you on this is exactly where I'll pass, so that we can do this to the estate. So let's go in now. Let's go. We have this because of the traffic light. So if you are going to Lekki phase 1 on Ajah, you just need to turn from that place. Now I'm going to Shongotedo, so I'm waiting for the traffic light to turn to green so that I can move ahead. So it has turned green now, so this is the time to move. And if you're going to ShopRite in Shongotedo, that is November, you just straight down to the ShopRite. So this is what we have for you this afternoon. So call us right away. Don't sleep on it. Don't see, if you sleep on this one, you just hear sold out. So please, this is the time to buy. Bye.